Here are a few simple guidelines to follow when you're choosing where to mount an Isonas reader controller. Getting the location right helps everything work smoothly. First, give it some breathing room. Keep each reader controller at least 2 feet away from another Isonas unit, and at least 6 feet from other devices that emit RF. Distance matters. Next, check the back of the reader controller. There's a small window, and it needs to sit against a reflective surface. If the wall isn't reflective, use the self-adhesive reflective sticker that comes in the box. This reflective surface is required for successful operation. Installing outdoors? Seal the mount so water can't run down between the wall and the back of the reader. And if you're using a PowerNet reader, you can add extra protection by applying a dielectric insulating compound, like Dow Corning DC4, over the cable connections. Also, protect the unit from extreme heat and direct sunlight. It's rated up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and in very hot, sunny locations, especially with direct southern exposure, that limit can be exceeded. One more thing. Mounting against large metal surfaces can reduce read range, especially steel, iron, or copper. If you're mounting on steel, be ready to add a 1 to 3 inch spacer pad and test read range before final mounting. Finally, plan your wiring. Standard pigtails are 4 feet, with optional 10 and 25-foot lengths. And for mounting holes, printable life-size drill templates are available on the Isonas website. That's it. Simple steps, solid install.